In today's CNC machining world, precision and uptime are everything. But the harsh, abrasive nature of machining environments makes equipment vulnerable to wear, contamination, and failure. While fragmented data adds complexity, making it increasingly difficult to stay ahead and avoid unplanned downtime. Enter the powerful partnership of Octotronic and Kowa machine vision. One delivers smart insights, the other, a crystal clear view into your process. Kowa's rotary wiper vision system ensures a consistently clear view inside the CNC machine, despite coolant spray, debris, and harsh conditions, capturing high-fidelity visual data that feeds directly into Octotronic's analytics platform, where it's transformed into real-time insights and actionable recommendations to enhance manufacturing precision and reduce downtime. Kowa's rotary wiper vision system ensures unmatched clarity with rotating lens cover, sapphire glass, anti-buildup coatings, and air injection. Even the harshest environments become visible with crystal clear monitoring of the machining process. Octotronic's powerful unified data intelligence software, Octocore, converts this raw signal from the optics into valuable data, translated in real time for monitoring and analysis, enabling a faster and smarter manufacturing process. Operators gain full visibility into valuable data such as drilling depth, spindle temperature, vibration, coolant flow, and tool wear, all in real time, enabling immediate, data-driven decisions that optimize manufacturing performance and prevent costly downtime. When you combine pristine visual monitoring with real-time AI data analytics, you unlock a smarter, safer, more efficient factory floor. CNC machining is just the beginning. Octotronic's versatile software architecture adapts seamlessly across industries, from automotive to electronics, food processing to pharmaceuticals, delivering real-time intelligence wherever it's needed. And with Kowa's expansive portfolio of precision-engineered lenses and vision systems, any factory environment can be equipped with the clarity and durability required for advanced automation.